Hello everyone, in this video today I am going to show you how to add a digital signature block in PDF for someone else to sign using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Firstly, open your PDF file, click file option, open, desktop. This is our PDF file and click tools option. Here we will find prepare form, click here, prepare form, and then we will find these signature tools, click here and draw signature block, okay, and click right button for properties. Here you can change signature name, signature form field visible hidden, and click appearance. You can change signature block border color, line thickness, fill color and font size, and change signature text color. We will choose red and signature font style Times Italic. Choose OK. Close it now and click preview. Your signature field. Send this field for someone to sign and click the signature field, and here we have to create digital ID. Click here configure digital ID. Here choose create a new digital ID. Continue. Save to file. Type here your signature name. Type here email, organization, continue, type password, click OK, save and continue. Their signature, enter pin, and sign. Save this, save. Okay, this is our signature field. Okay, and click signature properties, signature details, and show certificate. This signature issue valid to, and signature email and details trust. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.